Okay, most Honda vehicles can do this, but I'm going to show it just so it's on my page. But if you want the ventilation option to kick in, which is probably not in the manual, you hit lock and then hit the unlock twice and hold it, and all four windows will go down. One thing I like is if you stop, it will stop right there, and you can go a little bit further if you want. So a lot of people don't show that, but you can stop the windows halfway if you wanted to, and get all the way down. If you put your key in, now unfortunately you can't use a remote to get the windows back up, and I'm told if you have a sunroof, it will also open the sunroof. Now if you put your key in and do left, and hold it, all the windows will go back up. Okay. And same thing, if you go to the right and hold it, all four windows will go down. And pretty cool.